Okay. Why is there not any light?
Morning.
Hello.
Are you so tired of this assignment that you're ready to gouge your eyes out?
What?
Are you totally done with this assignment? Like, just sick and tired of it?
Yes.
Me too.
Like really, really tired.
Really done with it. It's
Yeah, I get it, but at the same time, I'm just tired of trying to do it.
yeah.
I don't know.
And then I got into the AGA questions, and like question number 3, I was like, nope, not doing it.
Nope.
Nope, that one's a hard pass.
Okay, I just woke up, so I'm sorry.
Oh, you're fine. I've been sleeping in this morning as well, so you're good. Well, my wife decided that one of her friends is getting endowed today, but either way, so my wife left at 7 this morning, and I was told that they had limited seats, so I got to sleep in. But everyone decided to wake me up this morning, then I went back to sleep, so it was fine.
Good.
Yay! So, all right, well, let's get this out of the way because I'm
Yeah.
done.
Okay. We're talking about the group problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you
What?
do you need a second?
I'm sorry, what?
Do you have everything all pulled up, or do you need a second to get everything?
Oh wait. I have it pulled up now.
Perfect.
When it comes to like questions or things that I wasn't sure about this time, my biggest thing that I feel like I'm still trying to figure out is the linkage map, the distances between the genes. Like I can do gene order, I can do allele arrangement, I can do the inference value, but I can't seem to figure out, I can't seem to get the right values for the distances between the genes.
Well, that's kind of a big deal. Let's see. Let's look at number 1. So you've been struggling with letter C on all of them.
Yeah, it's in letter C. I got the rest of them right, but it's just letter C.
So all right. So number 1, letter C. What did you get?
I have 12.74. Is it Morgan unit? Yeah, I know it was wrong, and I just like I'm just throwing away my answer. Like I'm gonna try and read them.
Okay. So let's go through the process a little bit. Let me get my notes.
Let me get my paper.
Because yeah, you need to get that right to get D as well. If you don't get C right, you won't get D right.
Really?
Yeah.
Because I could get D right.
Well,
like I was getting D right. Like that was fine, but let's see.
I have no clue how you got C right without D right, because you. Either way, let's go over this.
Okay.
So on letter C, what you do is, so you're taking the single crosses and you're adding those together along with the double crosses and then dividing it by the total number. Does that make sense? Probably not.
Hold on a second. Single cross. So you said you add the single crosses together and the double crosses together.
Yeah.
And then you just treat the number?
So you treat them individually. So
Okay.
so like the
That's
distance
what you do for the inference value.
for the inference value, I got
Interference.
yeah, I got 0.451.
Yeah, that's what I got. Hey, wait. For one?
For yeah, 1.
Oh, I got 0.34.
All right. Well, let's double check and make sure. I thought I went over those and I thought I got them right, but I might have.
I thought I was right too.
Once I turned in my stuff, I didn't really spend a lot of time whether I got everything right because I was just like, I'm done with this, and done. This assignment took up my entire week. It was retarded.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
It has.
They took like 3 days worth of figuring out how they wanted it. In Bio 375. Lesson 5. Teach one another. Group work. Stuff.
I don't see it.
Yeah.
Is it not on here anymore?
It should be. Let's look. Teach one another. Problems key. There it is.
Oh.
Okay, so I got it.
0.4.
So her and I rounded at different points, but I
was off on one.
I think I'm cool.
But I know that I got the rest of them right.
You did?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did. Hold on a second. I have like 0.51 for the next one. Yeah. And then I had put like 62 or something. Let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the rest of them.
You got the rest of them
Yeah.
good?
So I think I just calculated wrong for that first one. But I guess not understanding, maybe not what the distance actually is. Because it seems like I'm doing it right. Like everything else. Except for that first one, probably miscalculated. But
All right. So do you know the difference between the parentals, the single crossovers, and the double crossovers?
yeah.
Okay, perfect. That makes my life easier for explaining this. So what you do is you find the single crossover that goes with what direction you want or what distance you want to prove. So for example, in number 1, if you wanted to find the distance between C and H,
Yeah.
you're gonna find the alignment on the alleles that matches the parentals on everything except for C and H, because that's gonna be where the shift happens, the crossover happens. It's where it's different on just C and H. So in letter C, the crossover between C and H is the 84 and 99. So you're going to add 84 and 99 and also the double crossovers together.
Because you always add the double crossovers with them.
You always add them in. That will always get added in. So that's 84, 99, 35. And then you divide it by the total number of all of them, your total count. So that's going to give you, let's see here, 0.03424 da 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 da. You'll multiply that by 100 so that it gives you a percentage, which is 3.24 or 3.2 for MU. So that's how I got C to S, H, and then for S.
That's it?
Yeah, that's the. So that's your first one. You're gonna get 2 of them.
Yeah, but that's all you have to do to calculate the distance?
Yeah.
That's so stupid.
Well, and you know what's so about it is that this could have been so easy to explain if it weren't being explained by scientists that are trying to like, they're really overthinking it, and I guess
Yeah.
like teach us the why behind the what, but I really just wanted to know the what.
I know. Yeah, that video that you sent me was like golden. I'd spent like forever watching everything else, and then I finally watched that, and I was like, "What have I been doing?"
I know.
Like,
Like, and then Sister Culbertson like didn't like it when I posted that email. She was like, "That email's the same thing that I posted," and I was like, "No, it's not at all what you posted."
oh,
Because that like walks you through like, okay, you do this, then you do that, then you do this, and
yeah.
I
Thank you, Indian. Like,
I'm glad that that video helped, because it totally changed my week. Once I found that, I was like, oh, okay, I can do this now.
yeah, same here. I was like, except for the distance. For whatever reason, I just mixed that up, but
Yeah,
it helps everything else.
yeah. Well, I hope that this helps. Yeah, so you just find the one that matches it where it's different, I guess is what I'm saying. You're trying to figure out where it matches except for where you're trying to change. Okay. You're trying to find a different spot. And then that's going to be your distance.
Well, cool. Thank you so much.
No worries. Anything else that you want to talk about? How did your AGA go?
My AGA.
That's the other.
Where is that? What do you mean AGA?
So the applying genetics problems, the personal
Oh,
of a week.
straight up.
Well, it's the same stuff, except for number 3 is crazy. She's left out. There's only 6 numbers instead of the standard 8. Which,
What?
yeah, that's what we all said was what. Apparently, what it means is that the double crossover just never happened. But I didn't care enough to figure out the crosses. I'm gonna just not do it because I've spent so much time on this assignment this week that I'm not doing it anymore. And then on her number 5, it's all kind of weird. It's like, I don't even know. It's just weird. But 1, 2, and 4 are these exact same problems, and they're not bad at all.
Okay. Because I looked over it and it looked similar, but then there was like the last one that I was like, I don't know
Yeah.
what is, but
yeah, the last one's just over the top. It's like, okay, well, I'm not doing this.
yeah, we'll see how this goes.
Well, especially because like when I did the quiz was not hard at all. The quiz was really easy.
Oh, you already did the quiz?
Yeah, I did, and it wasn't bad.
Okay.
I mean, you get your head around how to work the problems and like understand what the parentals are and where the crossovers are and how to see that. And if you can do that, you can do the entire quiz.
Awesome.
It's a lot of identify the parentals, identify where the cross is going to happen, identify this. Okay, that's easy.
Yeah. Okay. That's good. I'm glad to hear that.
And
I'll do it.
So perfect. Well, good luck this weekend. Have a good one.
Yeah.
Assuming that next week's isn't crazy hard, let's shoot for Wednesday. That seems to be our best day for these. But
Yeah.
if not, we can do it kind of whenever. I'll work it out.
That sounds good. You didn't have any questions or anything you wanted to talk about?
No, I'm so over this assignment that I could gag myself.
I figured I should ask.
No, thank you for asking. Yeah, and are you good to turn this thing in?
Yep, I'll do it.
All right. Well, we will talk to you later.
Okay, bye, Daniel.
Bye.